Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. It's class 6. Science. Our subject is science. I'm your teacher, Mrs. Alia, and our unit is unit number 7, natural phenomena, and chapter is chapter number 15. Name of the chapter is light, shadow, and reflections. Page number 154 to 155. Lesson objectives. Lesson objectives of our today's lessons are: after this lesson, students should be able to differentiate luminous and non-luminous objects. This lesson will help students to understand transparent, opaque, and translucent objects. As it's our new chapter, let's discuss vocabulary from the chapter. Luminous, non-luminous, transparent, translucent, opaque, reflection. Luminous objects. Page number 154. The world around us is full of colorful and beautiful things: the shining sun, blue sky, and the clear water, and the green trees. However, we cannot see these things in the dark. We can see all these things only when there is light. In fact, our eyes can see light, and light helps us to see other objects. Some objects emit light of their own. These objects are called luminous objects. For example, the sun, the stars, fire, torches, lanterns, and fireflies, etc., are examples of luminous objects. Non-luminous objects. Some objects do not emit light of their own. These are called non-luminous objects. For example, wood, stones, chair, fans, human beings, and other clothes are examples of non-luminous objects. These objects are invisible. These are only visible when light from a luminous object falls on them and travels from there to reach our eyes. Earth and moon are non-luminous objects. They reflect light from the sun. Sun is luminous object. Transparent, translucent, and opaque objects. Objects which allow light to pass through them are called transparent objects. One can clearly see through such objects. A transparent object is a clear object. Examples of transparent objects are glass, water, thin clear plastic sheet, and crystals like topaz and ruby, etc. Objects which do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque objects. One cannot see through such objects. Examples of opaque objects are human body and animal body, metals like iron and steel, etc. Household items such as television set and vegetables like tomato and potato, etc. are opaque objects. Objects which allow only some of the light falling on them to pass through are called transparent objects. Light partially passes through translucent objects. Even though one can see through translucent objects, one cannot see clearly through them. Examples of translucent objects are tracing papers, tissue papers, muddy water, milky water, and melted wax, etc. Task. Your task. Now you know, given in your textbook, page number 155. There are three questions. Question number 1: match the correct answer. In question number 2: we cannot see in the dark. Give reason. Give two examples such as transparent, opaque, and translucent objects. You have to match and you have to answer the question number 2 and question number 3 in only 2 to 3 sentences. If you feel any difficulty, you can ask. The answers are given in the today's lesson. Thank you.